Rucking is a simple yet effective workout. You walk with a weighted backpack. It's a great way to exercise. Rucking is good for your body and mind. Rucking is for everyone. You can start slow and light. Increase weight or distance as you get stronger. Rucking fits into any lifestyle. Rucking is good for your heart. It's a simple yet effective exercise that involves walking with a weighted backpack. This added weight increases the intensity of your walk, making your heart work harder and get stronger over time. It makes your heart stronger. It improves blood flow, ensuring that your muscles and organs receive more oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to better overall cardiovascular health and increased stamina. Rucking can even help lower blood pressure. The consistent, moderate-intensity exercise helps to keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. Rucking builds muscle, particularly in your legs, core, and back. You will get stronger legs and core. The added weight of the rucksack forces your muscles to work harder, leading to increased strength and endurance over time. Rucking also strengthens your back. Carrying a weighted backpack engages your back muscles, helping to improve posture and reduce the risk of back pain. You will feel more powerful. Rucking is low impact, making it a great alternative to high-impact exercises like running. It's easier on your joints, reducing the risk of injury while still providing a challenging workout. It's easier on your joints than running. This makes it an excellent option for people of all fitness levels, including those recovering from injuries or looking for a gentler form of exercise. Choose good shoes and don't carry too much weight. This will prevent injuries. Start with a lighter load and gradually increase the weight as your strength and endurance improve. Rucking is good for your mind. The rhythmic nature of walking can be meditative, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It also provides an opportunity to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. It makes you mentally tougher. The physical challenge of carrying a weighted backpack teaches you to push through discomfort and build resilience. You learn to push through challenges. Rucking can build confidence. As you see improvements in your physical and mental strength, you'll feel more capable of tackling other challenges in life. You need a good backpack to ruck. Choose a backpack that is comfortable. It should have padded shoulder straps. This will help distribute the weight evenly. Start with a lightweight. Beginners should carry 10% of their body weight. If you weigh 150 pounds, start with 15 pounds. Increase the weight slowly. Good posture is important. Keep your back straight when you ruck. Keep your shoulders back. Look straight ahead. This will prevent injuries. Finding your rucking rhythm. Start with short distances. When you're just beginning, it's crucial to ease into the activity. This helps your body adapt to the new physical demands and prevents injury. Walk for 30 to 45 minutes at a steady pace. Don't go too fast. The goal is to build endurance and strength gradually. Consistency is key, so try to ruck a few times a week. You should be able to talk while you ruck. Listen to your body. If you find yourself gasping for air, slow down. The ability to hold a conversation is a good indicator that you're rucking at the right pace. If you feel pain, stop and rest. It's important to differentiate between discomfort and pain. Discomfort is normal as your body adjusts, but pain is a signal to take a break. You can always adjust the weight or distance. Start with a lighter load and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable. This approach helps in building strength without overstraining your muscles. It's important to not overdo it. Overexertion can lead to injuries and burnout. Remember, rucking is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence will pay off in the long run. Gradually increase your weight or distance. As you get stronger, you can add more weight to your backpack or extend your rucking distance. This progressive overload is essential for continuous improvement. As you get stronger, you can challenge yourself more. Incorporate varied terrains and inclines to keep your rucking sessions interesting and to work different muscle groups. Rucking should always feel challenging, but enjoyable. The key is to find a balance that keeps you motivated and engaged. Enjoy the journey, the fresh air, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with each step. Rucking is a fantastic way to combine cardio and strength training, making it an excellent workout for beginners and seasoned athletes alike. Here's a simple rucking workout for beginners. This routine will help you build endurance and strength gradually. Warm up with a 5-minute walk. This helps to get your muscles ready and your blood flowing, reducing the risk of injury. Then, ruck for 30 minutes at a steady pace. Keep your posture upright and maintain a consistent speed that challenges you but is sustainable. Cool down with a 5-minute walk. This helps your body transition back to a resting state and reduces muscle stiffness. Start with a light weight. It's important not to overdo it initially. A lighter load will help you get used to the activity. Carry 10% of your body weight. This is a good starting point to ensure you are not straining your body too much. Choose a flat route for your first few rucks. This will help you focus on your form and build confidence without the added challenge of hills. This will make it easier. Remember to stay hydrated. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and preventing cramps. Drink water before, during, and after your ruck. Keeping hydrated helps your body perform at its best and aids in recovery. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's important to rest if you feel fatigued or experience any discomfort. This will help you avoid injury and make your rucking experience more enjoyable. Safety is important when rucking. Always listen to your body. Stop and rest if you feel pain. Don't push yourself too hard. Wear comfortable shoes. This will help prevent blisters. Wear moisture-wicking clothing. This will help keep you cool and dry. Check the weather before you go. Don't ruck in extreme heat or cold. Tell someone where you're going. This is important for your safety. Rucking is more than just a workout. It's a way to challenge yourself. It's a way to connect with nature. It's a way to improve your life. Join a rucking group. This is a great way to meet new people. You can learn from experienced ruckers. You can motivate each other. Rucking is a journey. Enjoy the process. Celebrate your progress. Embrace the rucking lifestyle. You won't regret it.